So have a look at this.
It will probably haunt me for the rest of my life. Another beautiful day on Tonley. It's hopefully the last day we work on the sea rail. We cut off the stanchions about here, increased their height and added a fixed rail on top. The whole length here is already done. The push pit has been increased in height, you can see that, and now you can lean on comfortably. Check it out. Now the last thing we need to do today is to connect it to the push pit, which needs to be increased in height as well, to the same height as this one, but it's gonna increase in length too, because we're gonna elongate it and we're gonna reinforce it a bit, and it's gonna double as a outfit to fly a bigger sail. Kira is already down there cutting pieces. Let me show you. Here. So yeah, all is good, and check out my new sea rail. Isn't it nice? Feels much more secure than just this flimsy little wire at knee height. This feels much better. I would feel even safer if it would be a bit higher, but everything is a compromise between safety, usability, looks. This is what we ended up with. This 80, which I think is more than most boats have. I think 90 would feel safer, but then 90 would look very strange and also be a problem for the sails. 80 it is, but it will probably haunt me for the rest of my life on this boat if I could not have chosen a better height. That's not only true for the sea rail, it's true for every decision I have to make on this boat, that I always question myself afterwards. Did I do the right choice, or would there have been a better option? So the fear of better options is very real for me. Gotta live with it somehow. See you later.
What we now need to do is to lift up the bow. It was already there, but we want to make the height the same as the new sea rail is. So we measured how much we have to extend here. Oh, there's a spider, you can't see it. How much we have to extend those. We will cut them here and put in an extension. So second step is to cut these extension pieces. So I have the pipe here, and I just measured 28. We need 4 pieces. I marked it with this super ego thingy, where you just can kind of cut a little line around. And then I also already cleaned off the sink, because the sink has to go before you can weld. You can't weld when there's still a sink on the pipe. So I did that. Now I'm cutting the pieces. Some more pieces. These two are kind of connecting parts for the sea rail, the handrail. So the pipe of the handrail is thicker. So we have the thick pipe, we push in this to half of it, and then the other part of the thick rail comes on. So we have a connection. And these are the same for the bow. So we have thin pipes, we have the old thin pipe, we put that in, we put the new thin pipe in, back, and we weld it together.
Komm, komm gut. Komm.
Okay guys, so have a look at this. Ta-da! Our new pulpit, and this is also the finish of our railing, our fixed railing. We're so happy. It worked out to be super nice and it looks cool and it is so much more comfortable, and well, yeah, it feels as if there should have always been a railing like this. It suits the boat so well. Well, it did cost us 1 week of work, more or less. Not that much in material cost. The pipes, boah, I really don't remember. More or less 150 euros, I'd say, ballparked. Yeah, a bit of paint, a lot of work, but the result is super nice. We're really happy. Okay, see you next time for a new project.